Passive autotransformers, the heart of Pranan Technology. How do Pranan devices actually work? The key lies in their unique development: passive autotransformers. This is a mechanism that operates without the need for batteries or electrical sources. It's a system that captures part of the environmental radiation, filters out transverse waves, and allows only longitudinal components to pass through. Through these balancing micropulses, recognized by cells as natural patterns, they establish intracellular communication, reduce inflammation, and improve neuroelectrical function, a technology developed and patented by Pranan Technologies, which has been endorsed by clinical trials and scientific publications that have been peer-reviewed. Devices that effectively protect us from 5G, 6G, and future wireless technologies. Protect what you hold most dear. This is Pranan.